So in this lecture we are going to deal with the definitions of line integral, surface integral and volume integrals. So what is the basic definition of line integral is that a line integral is a point function along some curve and is called the line integral. That is means I can say along the line if we integrate then it should be the line integral. Okay, so the line integral is a vector function which we can denote with a bar along a curve. From suppose we have some S shaped curve and we want a line integral along that, then we put some points A and B anywhere on that figure, and then we can express the line integral. It is integral from point A to B over the curve. That is that vector function of that line integral we have denoted with a bar along the line, therefore it's dl along its length. So it is actually the sum of the products of a bar and dl. That is, a bar is a vector function and dl is a small length element from A to B along that path. And from point A to B, suppose we are going through a midpoint O, which is a point we denote with O of x, y, z, then we can put it as a line integral. So likewise, a surface integral, when we integrate over a path or a small length element, it is a line integral. Or whenever we integrate over a surface, then it is a surface integral. So integral of a point function. So suppose a point O or P of x, y, z we have considered, and it is a point function over some surface, then it is called as surface integral. So assume a vector field, suppose S is surface in that vector field, and let the surface is divided in small such elements having area ds. So thus ds should be the product of dx and dy, or ds is the product of dx and dz, or dy and dz. Then the surface integral can be defined as double integral xy a bar dot ds bar, or double integral only a bar dot ds bar. Right, along like that there is definition of volume integral, right? So when we integrate over volume, then we called it as a volume integral. So consider some vector function a bar and let V be the volume, then in that vector field, then V is divided into some small elementary volumes. So each having volume, if these are the small volume elements, then their volume should be dV. So if each having volume dV, then the volume integral is expressed as triple integral x, y, z a bar into dV bar, or triple integral over the volume V a bar dot dV. Right? Thank you.